Wow, an increase of over 40% burning rate on a weekly basis for Teruna Classic. Wow, this is good because I remember as of last 2 weeks, Teruna Classic will burn only 283 million coins in a week. Now, this week we're actually recording about 1 billion. Over 1 billion bonds, which is good for Teruna Classic. Luna have burned 1,028,214,624 LUNC coin has been destroyed just in the past 7 days, which is good. This is an increase of 40%. Yes, that is 40% increase on burning rates. Teruna Classic is really doing well. And I believe that Luna can increase the burning rate to 200%. There is a possibility because we want to see Luna burn 4 to 6 billion coins in a week, recording about 15 to 20 or 25 billion bonds in a month. That will only happen maybe towards the ending of the year, or that will happen towards the beginning of next year, 2024. We see Luna burning an average of over 15 to 25 billion coins in a single month. And with such statistics, it means that Teruna Classic can burn over 300 to 500 billion coins. Well, I believe that with this recent increase in the burning of Teruna Classic, definitely something good is coming. High trading volume will be coming. More money will be pumped into Teruna Classic. 1,028,214,628 LUNC coins is quite a lot. Of course, it's quite a lot. By the time you will decide to convert this to USD or to money, to dollar, you discover that Luna have really destroyed so much cash. Luna have really destroyed so much money. And one good thing is that people are also free will burning Teruna Classic coin. People are donating. I'm happy to see Teruna Classic community massively donating Luna coins for burning. With their donation, Teruna Classic really increase. With their donations, Teruna Classic will pump. With their free will donations, Luna will bounce back, and I'm happy. So let's wait for the best. Kindly like our video, share our video, drop your comment in the comment section below. Thank you.